Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make incredible zebra swirl cookies. These delightful treats are not only a feast for the eyes with their striking black and white pattern, but also a joy to eat. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the two distinct doughs to mastering the swirling technique, ensuring your cookies turn out perfectly every time. Get ready to impress everyone with these unique and tasty creations. First, we'll prepare our two essential doughs. You'll need a classic vanilla dough and a rich chocolate dough. For the vanilla, combine 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 3 cups of flour. For the chocolate, substitute 1/4 cup of flour with cocoa powder. Mix each dough separately until smooth, then wrap them tightly. Chilling them for at least 30 minutes is crucial for easy rolling later. Now for the fun part, creating the iconic zebra swirl. Take your chilled vanilla dough and roll it into a rectangle about 1/8 of an inch thick. Do the same with your chocolate dough. Carefully place the chocolate dough directly on top of the vanilla. Gently roll the combined dough into a tight log, ensuring no air pockets. Then, with a sharp knife, slice the log into beautiful 1/4 inch thick rounds, revealing the stunning swirl. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpieces. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your sliced zebra swirl cookies onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch between each cookie. Bake them for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are just set and lightly golden. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, your beautiful and delicious zebra swirl cookies are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.